Good evening guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Merlina Luna, Tagalog Bisaya. So just take a look. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining hard. See how it's hard. Really hard guys. So windy. And it's raining. I can't imagine how it rained, that it was very hot. And the time now it's past 6 o'clock in the evening. And even you can hear it is having thunderstorm. See the road. The road is muddy. I'm at work guys. Raining, raining, raining.
Ako lang sir. Balik lang ako. Ano yung bata ko?
We have umbrella. They are lucky that they have umbrella. See? It was very strong rain. So that's why it's muddy. There is the hotel. It's rainy day. It's rainy day. Okay guys, just showing you the rain, the sun. Okay, please like, share and subscribe, comments. Love you all guys.